Okay, so last time we made some good progress and we got the area there. Let's go back to StatCrunch and see the area that we got. There we go. There's the area that the question help referred to, if you're wondering what I'm talking about. And the view an example, we need the question help. There's the standard deviation. We did all this in the previous video using StatCrunch. So we're right here. And now we can take the areas and multiply it by our sample size. So I believe in this case our sample size is 200 as well. So we're going to take all these values and multiply them by 200. And again, we should be able to do all of that using an expression. Compute an expression, and we will take this upper probability minus lower probability. We're going to put that in parentheses. And then we're going to multiply that by our sample size, which is 200. So we'll multiply that by 200. And we will go ahead and compute that. There we go. There is the expected values for each class. So each class boundary has then the, I'm going to rename this. This is the expected value. Okay, so we have the expected value, we have the observed value. Our observed value is